My very first impression when I started using the BONNE Spa milk salt is the smell. Guys, I promise you, the smell is so amazing. It's so sweet, like milk, kind of vanilla ice cream. I just can't explain it, but it's just so sweet. To be honest, just because of the smell, I would say everyone watching me should get it because it is amazing. Probably one of the best smelling products I've ever used. I mean skincare product I have ever used, because the smell is amazing. Keep watching to get the full review of this product because I've used it for a couple of weeks, and yeah, I'll just give you my full review or thoughts about the product. You also want to make sure you shop all your hair and eyelashes from our website at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. And like this video, leave a comment, share to others, and subscribe. If you are watching me and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe right away, turn on the post notification. Let's get started. It has a very good packaging, it's nice looking, and it weighs 350 grams. Now the product is in tiny granules like the finest of sugar, and it has a very amazing smell. To me, it smells like vanilla. It's a sweet and pleasant smell. So yeah, that is it about the product. Milk protein is a key ingredient which helps to retain moisture in the skin, prevent dryness and rough skin, hence making the skin smooth, leaving it radiant and baby soft. Next is allantoin, which acts as an emollient to keep the skin moisturized and prevent dryness and irritation. Finally, sodium chloride, which is salt, absorbs dirt, grime and toxins and cleanses the skin pores deeply. It also restores protective barrier in the skin and helps with hydration. I'll now show you how to use the BONNE Spa Milk Salt. You take a little amount, like the size of your palm if you are using it for your whole body, but for demonstration purposes I will show you just my hand. You firstly want to wet the area you'll be exfoliating, and then next you will rub the salt into the area in a circular motion. I'd recommend you apply the spa milk salt on 3 times in a week. That should be enough, just 3 times in a week. So this is me putting some more water on the area. If you feel like it's too dry, put some more water and keep exfoliating. I bought my spa milk salt for £12.99. Next, I move on to the hard, dark areas like elbows, knees, knuckle. Again, you apply water and then you go over the area with the salt, but this time I use an exfoliating brush because it's more effective using an exfoliating brush in those stubborn areas. After you apply the salt, leave it on for 3 minutes so it can work on the area for some time before you wash it off with warm water and you wipe it down with a towel. And then you always want to lock moisture back into the area. So like I'm demonstrating, I use the Palmer's Skin Success lotion. It's a really good one for dark areas. Once you lock moisture back in the area, that is you all done. I recommend leaving it on for just 3 minutes before washing it off with warm water. Also moisturize right after using the product. Use a sunscreen whenever you go out, especially when it is sunny. To get quicker results, use it with other brightening or lightening products like soaps or creams or lotions. It's just best that way so you can get quicker results. Finally, I wouldn't recommend you use the product on your face because at the back of it, it just says that you can use it on your skin. The company doesn't specify it can be used on the face as well, and your face is a very delicate part of your body. So I wouldn't use it on my face. If you still wanted to go ahead and use it, it's up to yourself. But I'd caution you, that says on the label it's a triple whitening product, which means it is strong. So ideally, I wouldn't recommend you put it on your face. Any other part of your body, which is neck down, is fine. And I won't personally use it to bath all over my body. I just use it as a treatment product for dark areas like my knees, knuckles, and that's it. But again, it will be your decision if you wanted to literally bath with it all over your body or include your face as well. But I would say if the company is watching me, can you specify that as well? Because it's very important you let your customers know if they can use it for both their face and their entire body. So yeah, if they are watching me, please let us know about it, and that would help us off. Hey there, I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification for future uploads. The disadvantage I've noticed, which is in relation to some of its ingredients, is the fragrance and the kojic acid in there. So when it comes to the fragrance, it is strong, obviously from the smell, and people with sensitive or skin concerns clearly can't use this product. If you are watching me and you go ahead to use it, it's absolutely your own decision, but I'll strongly advise you don't do that because it will irritate your skin, it will trigger your skin condition the more, and you don't want that. So please do not use it. The next thing is the kojie acid. Now kojie acid is a really strong ingredient, and when it's used for a long time, it can contribute to aging or you getting fine lines or wrinkles on your skin. So that will mean if you are using it every day and you are using it for your whole body, including your face, every day, you will be contributing to aging quicker because of the strong kojic acid presence in there. These are the areas you can use the kojie san at. So your bikini line, underarm, any part of your body to exfoliate. So including your elbows, knees, knuckles, knuckle toe. Again, like I said, I don't recommend you use it on your face, but if you wanted to, that's fine, you can go for it. This is the end of this review. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, if you've got any questions, suggestions, feel free to get in touch down in the comment section. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.